Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore banding and gradients using DaVinci Resolve noise shaping, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Choose the clip with gradient banding that you want to fix. Go to the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. Select the node where you want to apply the noise shaping. If necessary, add a new node by right-clicking and choosing Add Node, then Add Serial Node. With the new node selected, locate the FX library on the top left. From the FX library, find the Open FX section. Search for noise in the Open FX search bar. Drag the Add Noise effect onto your selected node. In the Inspector panel, adjust the grain settings to introduce random noise. Set the type to either RGB for color noise or Luma for grayscale noise, depending on your footage. Adjust the amount slider to control the intensity of the noise. Next, refine the noise settings to ensure it blends naturally with the gradient. Check your gradient closely to see if the banding is reduced. Use the mixer settings in the inspector to modify the appearance of the noise. If needed, adjust the blending mode to achieve a smoother integration. Make sure to play back the clip to observe the changes in real time. Once satisfied with the results, proceed to render your project. Save your work in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.